the skill, I mean the skill name. Let's give it as rock paper and choose the default language as English. And
Sairam, just
yeah,
give me a second.
yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Guys, I want you to make the similar changes what Sairam is making to avoid any confusion. Do what Sairam is doing as it is with the skill name or invocation name or slots, each and everything. Please give same as which Sairam is giving. So make sure you do it because sir, link for Amazon developer. I'll be giving. Sairam, can you please give them the developer link so that they can go and access it?
Yeah. Let's log into that and open the console.
Okay.
Like,
So now please do same as what Sairam does. So yes, continue Sairam.
yeah,
Yeah,
just
he'll be
repeat.
telling you Anshuman. He'll
Yeah,
repeat it from first. Don't worry.
yeah. I'll repeat it from the first, and you just follow whatever I do. I'll just start from the beginning. Yeah. Now, everybody on this page. Yeah. I'll be starting now, and it's time to create the skill. Let's create it. And skill name. Now we will be giving the name of the skill, and let's give it as. So,
Sairam Bhaiya, excuse me.
yeah.
That can you please tell me where we do find this console page? I am on the Alexa part.
Just a second. Give me a second.
Hmm.
I think you're on this page, right?
No, no, not this page. I guess. Wait a minute.
I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
you're
On
on
this
this.
page.
Yeah.
Yeah. On this
Click on
page.
the link.
Yeah. Just go to the developer console. Click over here, and here you will be seeing Alexa.
Developer Center. Developer Center.
Developer console.
Developer Center is been here. Wait. Hmm.
Just open this. Just see my screen.
Developers.
Just see
Developer
my screen.
Center. Then okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Developer
just a
console.
minute.
Yeah. Everyone do the same. If anyone
Just
are facing the issues over here, you just do the same. Let's be clear from the beginning. Yeah. Is it fine?
wait.
Yeah. Suraj has gave the link in the chat box. You can just take over it. Yeah. Is everything fine? Shall I continue? Yeah. And kindly click the developer console. And later you will be taken to this page and open the Alexa skills kit. And you will be taken to the skills which you already did. I mean, you will be able to see the previous skill which you did, the joke skill. Yeah. Now we'll be creating the skill. Yeah. Enter the skill name. Rock paper scissors. And choose the default language as English India.
भैया
And now you will, yeah,
भैया when I click Alexa, then there is two options come: Alexa skill kit,
Alexa
Alexa
skills
voice
kit.
service.
Click on the
Alexa skill
Alexa
kit.
skills kit. Click on the Alexa skills kit.
Okay.
And you will be taken to the skills page and kindly create a new skill. Yeah. Is everything fine till now? Is
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
fine?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Create the skill name, rock, paper, scissors, and choose the default language as English India. And choose the model for your skill, and that's the custom model. We
भैया
will
एक
not.
मिनट slowly फिर से दिखाना एक बार. Please watch it again. एक मिनट wait.
Yeah, yeah. Take it time. Take your time. And here you will be seeing other models too, but right now we will be dealing with the custom skill in which we can do the skill on our imagination. I mean, we can do it in our own way. And apart from that, we will also be having flash briefing, which is used to news kind of skills and smart home automation, and which will be able to control the devices like lights and everything. and there are also video related skills and many more are there in Alexa. You can integrate anything with Alexa, and you will also be choosing the backend, and just choose the Alexa hosted Node.js. In this, Alexa will be hosting the backend. We will be giving the Alexa work to host the backend. Just choose the same and create skill. Is everything fine? Rock, paper, scissors. Just a second. Rock, paper, scissors. Just do the same. Am I going fast? Am I going fast? Thanks, thanks a lot. Yeah. Everybody on this page, in which we will be choosing the template. Yeah. I'm going to continue now. Now just choose the Now just choose the starts from scratch. I mean, we will be doing from the beginning, and just choose this and kindly continue with the template. And here you will be seeing other templates too, like fact skill, high-low game, pet tails, scheduling skill, survey skill. You can use any other things when we are doing that particular type of skill. Fact skill is nothing but when we want to display some number facts or else some scientific facts, then we will be using that directly fact skill. And high-low game is nothing but a number game in which we will be able to guess a number according to the instructions given by Alexa. And pet tail skills is nothing but the thing which our pets love. I mean, the videos or else audio kind of related things which our pets love. And scheduling skill is one that is regarding the reminders and something else. And surveying skill also will be there. These are all the basic templates. You can choose anything from that, but right now we will be doing that rock paper scissors skill, right? Then we will be choosing the hello world template that is starts from scratch. Is everything audible? Am I audible? Yeah, just check over the issue, network issue. Yeah. Yeah, Ajay, what I need to develop, what I need to repeat, you can just tell me.
हेलो भैया
Yeah,
भैया
yeah,
ये
tell
जो
me.
इसमें भैया ये जो इसमें ऑप्शन आ रहा है हमने यहाँ क्रिएट अ न्यू स्किल उसके बाद क्रिएट अ न्यू स्किल के बाद इसमें फिर ऑप्शन आ रहा Alexa hosted Node.js
Yeah,
Alexa
choose
hosted
them.
Python
Yeah,
सर वही
use Alexa hosted Node.js.
ओके ओके
We will be doing it in the Node.js. Yeah. Later on, we will be doing some other time the Python related skills. Yeah. Is everything fine? Everybody on this page? I hope so. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. And now we will be stepping into the invocation name. Just be careful over here. Like we just face the same issue when you are doing the previous skill. Just do the same. Rock, paper, scissors. Here you can't keep the capital letters. Just keep all the small letters. Is everything fine? Which one? What I need to copy? Just a second. Just do the same. Rock, paper, scissors. Choose it as the skill invocation name. And yeah, choose a template. Hello
भैया
world template. Yeah.
क्रिएट अ न्यू स्किल के बाद स्किल नेम रॉक पेपर सीजर और डिफॉल्ट लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश, उसके बाद क्या करना है?
Yeah. You just choose start from scratch. Select the option starts from scratch.
Alexa
In that.
hosted node.
Yeah. After that, you just create the skill. Create skill. You will be having an option at the top. Just create it, and later you need to select the template. In that, just select starts from scratch. The basic hello world template. We will be having that, and later we will be editing over that. I mean, we will be making some changes, and we will be making the final rock paper scissors skill. Yeah. Is everything fine? Yeah. Let's move ahead and choose the skill invocation name, and then just come to the intent part. Just a second. Here, just delete the hello world intent. Just delete it. We don't need it. As we are not dealing with the hello world. Just delete the hello world intent. And later add new intent. And here, yeah, shall I wait or else shall I proceed? I think everybody on this page, yeah.
भैया एक मिनट, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, उसके बाद उसमें उसको क्लिक करना है.
Yeah, start from scratch. Click it. Click that and create a new skill. Start with the template.
कंटिन्यू विद टेम्पलेट.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया,
Yeah.
वो इन्वोकेशन के बाद स्किल नेम बदलने के बाद कहाँ जाना था?
Yeah, you just wait a second. Just come to the interaction model.
Yeah.
Then,
Then
then click on the intents. Then click on the intents. Yeah. I hope everyone are clear with the definition of the intent. Can anyone explain me what is an intent? Want your participation too.
हेडिंग.
Yeah, that's cool. It's nothing but the thing which we want Alexa to do. Suppose when we want to, suppose let us take an example of rolling a die. Then we can name the intent as roll die intent. Now we are just playing the game. Then now we will be naming the intent as game intent.
भैया कंटिन्यू विद टेम्पलेट.
Yeah,
कंटिन्यू टेम्पलेट करने के बाद वो मतलब कोड सा आ रहा है, मतलब मैच द कैरेक्टर ऐसा कुछ.
yeah, you just enter the capture. I think so. We'll be getting the capture. I'm able to choose the question. Alexa posted notification. Yeah, you will be having that at the beginning. Be having that.
या इट विल टेक अ मिनट.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors is the invocation name. Invocation name is the name through which our skills get triggered. Through the name of that. This is just a small phrase. Yeah. Shall I proceed? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Now click on the intents.
भैया अभी वो प्रिपेयरिंग द कोड एडिटर हो रहा है, अभी कुछ घूम ही रहा है वो.
Yeah.
अभी वो खुल ही नहीं रहा मेरा. इट वुड टेक. एक मिनट, खुल गया.
Yeah. I'll just wait for a while. Just do it soon. Meanwhile, we can just discuss. Anyone? You just tell me the definition of intent. Correct, exact definition.
एक starting of the job or the thing which you want from Alexa, like
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Alexa
That's correct.
start something. So like Alexa is the intent.
Yeah.
I would say it's the title of the intention of the user. Like if you want to start the game, game intent,
Yeah.
the joke intent. That's I think.
Yeah, exactly. The intention of the user. That's correct. I mean, the thing which we want Alexa to do. Suppose if we want Alexa to play a game, then we can just give it as game intent. Suppose if we want Alexa to roll a die, then we can give the name of the intent as roll die intent. And these are some of the examples for choosing the name of the intent, and be clear and use capital letters at the beginning. And shall I continue? Is everything fine? Yes, let's move ahead. Just click on the intents over here and you will be getting to this. And now delete the hello world intent. You will be seeing an hello world intent over here. Just delete it. Just delete the hello world intent.
भैया ये इन्वोकेशन और इंटरेक्शन मॉडल का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, लेकिन ये इसके नीचे इंटेंट लिखा है, आपके में मेरे में एसेट्स लिखा है.
Just wait for a second. Yeah, I think we will be having like this.
Yeah.
Just choose the skill invocation name, right? Rock, paper, scissors, and then click on the interaction model. Okay. After
मैंने
clicking
सब
the
मैंने सब डिलीट कर
yeah,
दिया, वो साइड से एक रॉक क्रॉस कर दिया था, हेलो जो करके आया था ना, उसके ऊपर के भी दोनों को मैंने डिलीट कर दिए।
what I'm not able to understand. Can you just speak in English?
इंग्लिश तो नहीं आती ना भैया।
You just follow my steps with the thing which I do. You will be seeing this at the beginning, and you just choose the interaction model. Just click on the interaction model, and you will be having the intent history, JSON editor, each and everything will be there. And now click on the intents. And here, basically, first at the beginning, as we choose the hello world template, then you will be seeing the hello world intent over here. I think so. I just deleted it, so I'm not able to show it to you. You will
भैया
be seeing, yeah.
भैया when I open this, then 3 options are come, then I all get wrong, then that's why I have no option to choose.
Which one? How to spell your test?
Rock paper scissors.
Yeah, I think you are.
Intent.
Yeah, I think it's visible over here, right? You can just click over the interaction model.
बट ऐसे
सौरभ बोलो
हाँ,
बोलो क्या?
अरे यार एसेट्स आ रहा है मेरे में इंटरेक्शन मॉडल के नीचे, मैं फोन में कर रहा हूँ ना इसलिए।
देखो इंटरेक्शन मॉडल पे क्लिक करो, उसके नीचे इंटेंट आएगा, इंटेंट पे क्लिक करो, सिंपल।
Yeah, that's cool.
यार अब सही है, तू मेरे को मुझे बता दियो, ठीक है आगे।
एग्जैक्टली, ओके
यस,
फाइन।
इंटेंट क्लिक हो गया, उसके बाद
Yeah, that's what. Delete the hello world intent. You will be seeing a hello world intent over here.
डिलीटेड, आई डिलीटेड।
Yeah, and we just need to add another intent. Like I just said before, right? When we want to play a game with an Alexa, then we will be adding the name of the intent as game intent. Just do the same. Add intent and just give the name as game intent. Create custom intent. Yeah, I'll wait for a second. Yeah, is everything fine? Yeah, good, good. I'm seeing a lot of responses. That's good. Yeah. Now create the sample utterances. What are utterances? Can anyone just give me a quick uh, definition regarding this? What is an utterance? I just want to learn from you.
effect,
What?
affect,
Fact. Can you please elaborate?
like tell me something about food.
Yeah, that's cool. You just gave the example for that, and that's cool.
So I think the voice input is known as
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Searching keyword. I think it's searching keyword.
Yeah.
Which I want to say, give the
Utterance.
instructions.
Yeah. I'll just give the quick definition over that. Utterance is nothing but a command. Yeah. It's audible, right? Utterance is nothing but a command through which we can communicate with Alexa. In which we will be able to communicate with Alexa. Utterance is nothing but a command where we will be communicating with the Alexa. Yeah. Now, shall we create the sample utterances? Shall we proceed further? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, now, like, just create. Like, suppose, just imagine when we are playing a rock paper scissors game with Alexa, then what the common utterance can be. I choose rock. I choose paper. I choose scissors. These are the common utterances. But instead of doing all the three, all the three rock, paper, and scissors, I can just define a common variable that is slot. Right? You all know that slot is nothing but a variable and that can contain as many values as possible. Yeah. Just choose, I choose action. I'll just create action as a slot and do the same. And here action is the variable, the slot, which is the same as the variable. And in this action, we can declare rock, paper, or scissor. Yeah. This is the basic utterance. I choose rock. I want to play rock. I want to choose scissor, like that. You can just create other utterances too, along with that action. And I would like to Just create 3 of the utterances. That will be fine. Let's avoid the confusion. Yeah. Everyone created? I'll wait for a second. Let others do it. Yeah, just remember that every slot should contain curly braces. It should be in the curly braces, and you can define any name as per your wish. Yeah, do it. I'll just wait for a second. Yeah. Shall I continue? I'll just proceed with the next step. Moving ahead. Yeah. After creation of the sample utterances, we will be having a slot over here. That is the action is a slot. And now just click on just a second. Just click on the assets. Assets. And after that you will be seeing some slot types. Just click on that. First go to the assets and then just select the slot types. We will be defining our slot over here. Yeah. I'm moving ahead. Yeah. Yes. Right. Yeah, these are the 3 utterances. You can choose as many utterances as possible. That's your wish. Some would like to say that I would like to choose rock. I would like to play. You can just say anything. It's your wish, and it's the way through which you will communicate with Alexa, and Alexa will be giving a response to you. And it's very quite common. I mean, it's very quite cool doing with these utterances, and it's very interesting too. You can define as your utterance as you wish. Everyone created this utterances. Yeah, just click on the assets.
Bhaiya, what is the name of skill? I forget. Please tell again.
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors is the name of our skill.
Rock, paper.
Yeah. Yeah. Just click on the assets. We will be defining this slot over here. Just click on the assets and just select the slot types. Game intent. Name of the intent is game intent. Let's see over here. Yeah, game intent. And I would like to choose rock. I would like to choose paper. I would like to choose scissor. These are the common utterances, but instead of doing it single time, we just replaced it with a slot. And we will be declaring this in the slot types. Yeah. Is everything fine? Come to this page as soon as possible. Yeah. Yes. Done. Then add slot type. Now here we will be adding the type of a slot, and let's take it as action type. Action type. Next. Just choose the slot type as action type. I'll wait for a second. Yeah, just a second. Give me a while. Do you want me to explain it again, or else you just want to see it? Okay, yeah, just a second. Utterances are nothing but the commands. Yeah. So I'm saying no. Yeah, time is also rushing. We need to complete the entire skill, right? Just have a look at this. These are the sample utterances. I would like to choose action is a slot, and we will be declaring that slot over here in the assets tab, and choose a slot type.
भैया
Yeah.
भैया create custom intent में enter name of intent में क्या है?
Game intent.
Yes.
Game. G, capital G A M E, capital I N T N.
capital G.
A-M-E, game intent.
एक मिनट, game.
Yeah, this
Intent
is
भी capital. Intent भी
yeah,
capital है.
yeah. Just look at this. Game and
Yes.
and
Create
again,
custom.
just create the sample utterances too.
Create. Yeah. Sample utterances में.
Yeah, just give the utterances. You can just give the commands. I would like to choose action. Action is a slot. I hope it's fine up to now. Action is name.
Yeah.
I guess. Yeah, action is the name of the slot, and we will be defining the type of that in this asset step. That's cool. Shall we proceed? Action type. Yeah, just just create the type action type slot. Slot type as action type. Just a second. Just create it again for you. Just wait a second. I'll just create it again. Yeah. I hope everybody are on this page. Yeah. Add slot type and just add it as action type. Let's create next. And in this, we will be declaring the slot values. Yeah. Actually, the previous utterance which I said, I would like to choose action, right? I just gave the name of the slot as action. And in that, I would like to choose paper. I would like to choose scissor. I would like to choose rock. These are the three slot values. Just due to the same rock is one of the slot value. Paper is one of the slot value. Scissor is one of the slot value. Yeah. Just create these three slot values for the slot. I mean for the variable action.
Ram, could you please show me the intent part once again?
Which one?
The
Intent part.
intent part.
Yeah. Do it along with me. You will not be lagging behind. Yeah. Game intent and the common utterance. Like before, we just created in the slot types, we just created three slot values. One is of rock, paper, scissor, and those three will be linked to this variable action. So that's it. Now here we can just give the command as I would like to choose rock. I would like to choose reading slot values. No. Up to till there, I just said that. I was just waiting for others to complete it till now. Yeah. And I would like to choose rock. I would like to choose paper. I would like to choose scissor. These are the three slot values which we gave for the slot name as action. Yeah. Shall we proceed further? Let's move ahead. After creation of this, we just created the slot types and everything is done. And just come to the game intent. Just click on the game intent again. Just go to the intent section and then you can see the game intent which we already created. Just click on that and you will be getting over to this page. Yeah, that's fine. Now just scroll down and you can see the intent slots over here. We just created the action as our slot and we declared the values of that slot in the slot types, and now we will be choosing the slot type. Yeah, you'll automatically getting the slot type as action type. We just did here, right? Yeah, action type. You just be getting over there. Yeah, everyone created this. Just add the slot type as action type in this. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing I just want to discuss. There are other built-in slots too. I mean slot types. There are other many are there. Duration, day of the week, first name, four-digit number, many more things. These are all the inbuilt types. We just don't want to define all of the things, all of the slack values. We don't need to define all those. Suppose let us take the example. We are just choosing a number. What? Can you repeat the intent slot part? Where? This one, right? Yeah. You just add the slot type. Just come over to this action and you just add the slot type, action type, which will be able to add it. Have you done? No intent slot. Just a second, just a second. Yeah. You just created the slot type values, right? Till now, everybody did the same. Yeah. And after that, have you created the action type or the slot type? Yes. And just go to the intent section, and choose the game intent, and just scroll down. And here you need to add the slot type. For that particular action slot, we need to add the slot type. I think we will be seeing this action type. No need to type that, we'll be getting it automatically. Yes. Yeah, got it? That's cool. Great. Yeah. Everybody till now? Everything is fine. Any issue, you can just tell me. Yeah, yeah. Cool. You can ask me any doubt if you face. Yeah, that's fine. Now just save model and then build your model. Just save it and build it. Yeah, thanks for your appreciation. Just save it and you can just build it. It may take some time. Yeah. Everybody done till here?
Just a small doubt.
Yeah.
After like finishing all those like coding and all the testing part, if you are facing any problem in this build thing, so if you're going to build and changing something, so do we have to like save it and build
Yeah.
it again?
Just do it again. Just save and build it again. Yeah, that will be fine. You can change it any part of time. Even though when your skill is live, you can change it. And you can just promote it to live later on. Is everything fine till here?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, everybody done till here? I'll be moving to the next step. We'll be getting a prompt message to full build successful. Hope everybody got this. And we'll be moving to the coding part. Let's move ahead. We are done with the building part, and we will be doing the code part now. And here you can see the entire backend code over here, and let's do it. Yeah, that's fine. And now in this launch request handler, this launch request handler gets activated. I mean, gets invoked whenever our skill invocation name is called. Suppose if I say, yeah, sorry. Just a second. Is this fine? Yeah. Launch request handler gets invoked when we just call the name, when we just invoke the name of our when we just give the skill invocation name. That is, let us suppose we just spoke like open rock paper scissor. Here rock paper scissor is our invocation name, and as soon as we give this command, then this launch request handler gets activated, gets invoked, and just change the speak output part over here. We'll be adding a new thing as we're doing the rock paper scissor game. Welcome. Do it along with me, it will be fine. You can use rock paper or scissor. What? This is just a common phrase. You can write it according to your wish. In which line? In the line number 13, in the speak output part. The name itself says that it will be going to, it's the Alexa command as soon as we invoke our skill. Speak output. This is the output which Alexa gives. Line number 13. 1, 3. Yeah. Is everything fine? Just give a common output, I mean, the common speech. Welcome to rock, paper, scissor. You can choose rock, paper, or scissor. What we have to write on line number 13. Just write this. Just write this. Welcome to rock, paper, scissor. We will just give some welcome message for the user when he just activates the skill. As soon as we tell the command like open rock paper scissors, then this gets activated. This gets bounce request handler, and we will be getting the output as welcome to rock paper scissors. Alexa will be saying this. You can choose rock, paper, or scissor. What do you choose? First, what do you want to choose? It's like your wish. Yes, it's better if for it. I'll just provide it, but before you just try it, it will be fine. Very simple. It's very simple. Just give it. Just give it a try. I'll just definitely I'll be sharing that code, the entire thing. I'll just sharing the front end part, back end part, everything. But just give it a try. Yeah, everybody did this. Welcome to rock paper scissors. You can choose rock, paper, or scissor. What do you choose? This response will be given by Alexa as soon as we give the command open rock paper scissors. Our skill will be launched, and we will be getting this response. What do you choose? And now, just a second. Come to the hello world and come to the line number 22. 22. Yeah. And now just change the intent handler. As we are not dealing with the hello world, we are dealing with a game intent handler. Just change it. Remove the hello world and just change it to game intent handler. And here also on the line number 25, change it over here. Okay. Yeah. Everybody they tell here. Everything is fine, I think. Will I wait for a second? Yeah.
Game intent handler then?
Yeah. Also change over here in the line number 25. We will be seeing hello world intent. You just change it to game intent in the line number 25.
Okay.
Shall I proceed further? Lagging behind, yeah. Yes. Just come to the top, and here we will be creating an array actions. Yeah. Just create an array named actions, and you can just give the values of that array as rock, paper, scissor. And I hope everyone are clear with the concept of arrays. I think everyone are aware of this indexing and each and everything. Array. No, I'm seeing some responses now. Yes. Array is nothing but it's a data structure which will store the data values in a sequence. in a particular sequence. And in this, we define the values rock, paper, scissor, and the rock will be having the index number as 0, paper will be having the index number of 1, and scissor will be having the index number of 2. 0, 1, 2, and the size of the actions array is 3. Right? Is everything clear till now? Array is gonna store the values in the continuous memory locations. This is the basic definition regarding that. Yes, yes. Yeah. Everyone created this rock, paper, scissor array and come here. Now, like when we are playing with the rock, paper, scissor game, there will be two users, and one will be choosing one slot value and the other will be choosing some slot value. Like suppose any two people are playing rock, paper, scissor game. Then one choose rock, one can choose any other thing. Like here we are playing with Alexa. We are playing with Alexa. Just define constant Alexa action. I'll just wait for a second. Just give the name of that constant Alexa action. Shall I proceed? And we will also be having constant user action. Suppose when we are playing with Alexa, we will be having some particular moves, and Alexa will also be having some particular moves. It will be doing at the back end. It will be choosing from this array. Alexa will be choosing from this actions array, and it can choose rock, paper, or scissor. It can choose any of these three randomly, and user action will be defined by us. Shall I proceed? Shall I continue? Alexa action. Yeah. Just we just give the Alexa action. Action. Just a second. The name of the array. Actions and actions array and I'll be explaining this. You just don't worry. Just create the Alexa action as actions array. Yeah, I will just explain this part. I think you are not aware of this, right? Yeah. Math dot random. Just the name of the function itself says that it will be choosing. I mean, it will be selecting a random number. It will be selecting a random number, and into Alexa. Sorry. Actions dot length. What is the length of the array? Can anyone say what is the length of the array? 3. Math dot random into 3. This gonna return the value from 0 to 2, either 0 or else 1 or else 2. Is everything fine, or else shall I elaborate it again? Yeah, actually this math dot random into actions dot length, this returns the decimal value, right? This returns the decimal value. Suppose it's gonna give 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 till 3. It doesn't exceed 3. It doesn't exceed 3, as we gave the actions dot length as 3, as we know that the length of the array is 3. Math dot random into 3. This will give the decimal value from 0 to 3, like 2.5, 2.999. That is the last value for that. And when we apply the math dot floor itself suggests that we will be getting the step of that, right? Suppose if we have, let us take an example. Let us suppose we have 2.99 as the random number. Then math.floor, it gonna give 2. Yeah, we will be having two types, right? Suppose we take the decimal as 2.6. There will be some ceiling function and another will be some floor function. Floor is gonna give the below value, below decimal integer value, and seal will give the above value. Sir, in work procedure, what is the work of decimal value? Yeah, there is no work of decimal. That's why we are making it to the floor. We need to get the integer. We need integers, random integer. Yeah. Is everything fine? Hmm? Shall I proceed? Yes. Yes. Actions. And now let us suppose that math dot random into actions dot length. This gave a decimal value of 2.33. Let us suppose that. It gave the decimal value as 2.33. Right? 2.33. And this math dot floor of 2.33. What will get? We'll get 2. We got the integer value. Yeah, just don't get confused over that. This is quite simple. Yeah, I hope everyone are understanding. It's clear. I think so. Yes. Yeah. Actions. Yeah. Yeah. I just said that 2.33 as the math dot random into actions dot length, and math dot floor of 2.33 gives 2 and actions of 2. Yeah, it removes the float value and it gives the integer value, as we don't have any decimal values in arrays. We just need the integer value. Yeah, exactly. Actions of 2. We will be getting actions of 2. What is the value of action of 2? 0. 0, 1, 2. Now Alexa's choice will be scissor. Alexa action will be scissor. What if it is 2.99? If it is 2.99, we will be getting the floor value as 2, and actions of 2 will give the scissor, and Alexa will be selecting the scissor part. Yeah, fine. Yeah, that's cool. I'm happy to see your responses over here. It's good. Yeah, actions of 2, and let us take another example. Let's be clear with this. Let us suppose math dot random into actions dot length, which is 3. It gave the value of 1.66. Let us suppose 1.66. Just tell me, what is the Alexa action? What is Alexa action? I want to see who responds first. What is Alexa action? That's cool. I'm happy to see your responses. That's correct. Array of 1, actions of 1. Oh, wonderful. Yeah. And this is the Alexa action. And here we'll also be doing the user action. Just a second. Actions. Just remove the parenthesis after length. Will be fine. Yeah. Is it fine? That's correct. Alexa action equal to actions of math.floor, math.random. Just close it. You forgot the close. I just zoom it out. Just see my screen. You just missed this parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Yeah. Consumer, is it fine? You just missed this closing one. You need to close the floor function, right? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. And just a second. Yeah, we are running behind time. Just wait for a second. I'll just copy paste the thing and I'll just explain. Just wait for a second. I'm doing this just because we are not having much time. Just a second. Just copy this. Don't worry, I'll just explaining you everything regarding this. Just don't worry. I'll just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I hope everyone did till here, right? Alexa, action. No, no, no. It's just repeated. Sorry. Sorry, just a second. Just wait for it. Just a second. Yeah. First, I will be explaining, and definitely I will give the entire code to you. I'll just drop the link, and you can just copy paste from that. First, you need to explain the concept over here. Yeah. Is everything fine till now? I'll just explain once again. Yeah. Just listen. I will be explaining you entire thing, and later on I'll just drop the link of the entire code where you can see the entire code, and you can just copy paste from that. Okay, is it fine? First, listen to the main logic. Just catch the logic. That will be wonderful. That's really superb. As we are not having much time, let's do it quicker. Yeah. And now here you will be having the user actions. And you know that we just give the slot and we just give the slot name as action and we just give the values, right? Suppose let us, I will just give an example. I choose rock. Here rock is the value from the action slot and this is a slot and we are getting the intent from the intent. And this, and we can choose it according to your wish. We can choose either rock, either, yeah, I'll explain it. Just a second. Let me complete with the user action first. Yeah. User action. Now we can choose anything from the three slot values which we give. That can be rock, that can be paper, that can be scissor. And that will be the user action. And this we can choose it. And combo, next line. Come to the next line. We'll be seeing common is nothing but the combination. Both. We'll just append both the strings. We are going to append the strings together for the switch case. User action. In the user action, we will be choosing either rock, paper, or scissor. And apart from that, we will also be giving the Alexa action as we did before by using this actions array. Right? Alexa actions. Let us do the same. Alexa action. Yeah. Is everything fine till now? Do you want me to repeat it again? Am I audible? Yeah. Very few responses. Yeah, that's fine. Now we are clear with the we are having Alexa action. Along with that, we are having the user action with us. Now just combine both of these. Yeah, just combine both of these. Combo, nothing but combination. You can name it like your wish. It's your wish. You can name it as per your wish. User action plus Alexa action. Yeah, I'm going to give a simple example with this. Let us suppose user action. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, is it fine? Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to give an example for this combo part. Let us suppose user action. Suppose the user chose rock. Let us suppose he chose rock. And Alexa action. Suppose the math.random value, math.random into actions.length is 0.5. Let us suppose the value of math.random into actions.length is 0.5. What is the Alexa action? I want you to answer for this. Rock. You guys are really rocking. It's cool. It's really wonderful to see the responses. Yeah, rock. And what is the Alexa action? It is also rock. It is also rock. Now, what is the combo? I just want you to answer. What is the combo? What is combo? Please don't write everything what I'm writing. Yeah, I just want the value of this combo. Value user action plus Alexa action. What we gonna return? Don't write anything over here. Just this is just the comment section. We're getting rock. We will be getting this. Then let's take it over here. Rock. Yeah, Abhay, that's cool. That's correct. Combo is rock. Yeah. As we got the user action, we gave the user action as rock and also the Alexa action as rock, as we calculated by using the math.flow function. And rock is the final combination. Yeah, final combo of both of those. And now we will be coming to the next main part, switch case. I think most of the people are here are aware with the switch cases. I hope everyone are clear with the switch case in which we will be having some variable over here, and we will be comparing case 1, case 2, case 3. Suppose we have a number over here. Let us suppose n is an integer and we are having switch of n, and we can just select that case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5 till default. User action. Yeah, you don't worry, you just understand. You just try to understand the concept. You just don't try it. I'll just throw the link in the chat box. Entire code. I'll just drop it over in the chat box. You just don't worry about that. You just try to grab the concept. That's the main important thing. I hope everyone are clear till the combo part. Right? Combo. Rock. Yes. Switch combo. And everyone will be aware of that switch case. Let us suppose we have a switch of n is an integer data type. Then we will be having case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. We will be having some statements in every particular case. And suppose if this case is true, I mean, like let us come to the example combo, like rock. And switch of case, in this switch case, we will be getting the cases, checking the cases, each and every case. And what is the first case? Rock, right? Yeah, rock. And the combo is also the rock. So this, we just want to execute this part. We leave everything well because we have this break statement. I think everyone are aware of this break statement too. Break is this will just transfer you to the out of the loop. It controls your flow of execution. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Hey Sairam.
Yeah.
I would be sorry for interrupting, guys. So
Yeah.
I think
We'll-
Sairam, you need you have only 15 minutes to complete this session, so
Yeah,
that we
just-
can make sure we will be doing we will be giving 2 hours to the APL, which is a very big skill, which is a very complex skill. So please just do it in more 15 minutes.
Yeah, fine. Thanks, Rahul. Let's do it. Yeah. We will be wrapping it out in a quick glance. Let's complete it. And everyone, I think everyone are clear up to here. Combo of rock, and we will be getting this switch case, first case rock, and Alexa will give the response when both the user and Alexa both played rock. Then Alexa will give the response as you played rock and I played rock. It's a tie. Yeah, I'll just drop it. Definitely, I'll just definitely give it to you. You'll just copy it and paste it over here. But first of all, just listen to the concepts. It's very important for us. Yeah, speak output. Then Alexa will be giving the you played rock and I played rock and it's a tie, and we will be getting the break statement and we will be taken to the out of the loop. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it for sure. Yeah, yes. Yeah. After that, it will be going to the we will be out of the loop. We're having the break statement. And let us take another example like user chose paper and Alexa chose scissor. Can anyone say which case we will get? User chose paper and Alexa chose rock. Sorry, scissor. Paper, scissor.
Paper, scissor.
Yeah, paper, scissor. Right. And we will be getting this switch case. And speak output, you played paper and I played paper. Sorry, I played scissor. I win. Alexa will win as scissor cuts over the paper. Scissor cuts over the paper. That's cool. And we will be getting the break statement and we will be out of the loop. And that's all. That's a simple switch case and your rock paper scissor game is completed. That's it. It's quite simple, and just by using the switch cases, we can just make a game, and you can just say that yeah, that's, yeah, and you can define all the cases, all the permutations: rock, paper, paper, scissor, all the things. We will be getting all the 9 cases over here, and default case. What if the user gives the response? I mean, gives a command apart from rock, paper, scissor. Just give some instruction that you can choose rock, paper, or scissor, or else please select one from rock, paper, scissor. Yeah, I'll just remove it. We need to remove it. We need to remove it. This is the previous one, right? Hello world. We just need to remove it. Yeah. Everything is fine. Yes. Okay. And that's it.
Bhaiya, show the 7th line.
Just a second, bro. 7th line. Where?
Yeah, in the constant actions, this thing I think I
Yeah, you don't worry. I'll just share you the entire part, entire coding link. And just a second, I'll drop you the link. I hope everyone are clear with this till here.
yes,
Right? Yeah.
this way.
Just drop you the link. You can just copy paste from that. Let's open that link and copy the entire index.js part and cut the thing which we did till now.
Hey guys, you will be getting you'll as you got the link, just copy the complete thing, paste it and paste it over the skill which you have made, because there may be some errors while transmission. So because you have to completely submit the skill without any errors. This code we have done like around 2 years back. So this code is perfect code. So if you have any doubts, you can compare the code which you have made, and you can check where you have got an errors, or what. And as you already explained the logic, you can also go through the code once again, and you can just deploy it. Yeah.
Yeah. And everybody do along with me, and I will also be copying the entire code. Let's do it together. Just cut everything, paste it. I hope everyone clear till here. Yeah. Just I'll also deploy it. Save and deploy. And we just completed our rock paper scissors skill. And this is the ending of that. And just by using the switch case, we can just make a game. This is the main importance of the programming and the major application. Yeah, you will get the attendance. Yeah. We will be sharing the link at the end. Don't worry. Yeah. I hope everyone clear till here. I mean, everyone copied the code part, and make sure that you are not having any errors before deploying it. Yeah. Just
Yeah, I
trying to
got
see.
error in line number 30.
Line number
30.
30 or 13.
30.
Yeah.
Oh, 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah, you just copy the entire code from the link which I give. Yeah, that's what I did, Anshuman. I just want you guys to learn the basic part. I mean, the main logic. If you know the logic, you can make as many games as possible. That that's the major application of the programming. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. I hope everyone deployed in their particular consoles, and now we will be heading to the test part, in which we will be testing our skill. Just to note a bit and open the development. Hope everyone are clear with this. Yeah. Now, right, open, talk, Rishabh. Yeah, you can just check over all your doubts in the link which I just gave. You can just check the entire code over there. I just explained you the switch case, the major part of our skill. Right? Shall I proceed further? Yeah. This is the response which we gave after the launch request handler. I hope everyone remember that. I choose rock, which is the utterance. Yeah, which is the utterance, and rock is a slot value. That's it. Just move. That's it. And you can use as many times as you want. Use paper. That's it. My code. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Alexa. Yeah. Tell me.
We have to deploy now. First, we
Yeah.
have to save the code and then deploy.
Yeah. And after that, just move to the test
Test
section.
section.
Yeah. And give the commands as I gave.
Okay.
Paste is done here.
Yeah, it's done. I hope everyone did. In my code, deploy done successfully, but I'm getting X marks in 3 lines. I think so. You just copied some extra lines from the GitHub. You might have copied other these two. You can just check over that. Copy it from first line till line number 193.
Brother,
Yeah,
1554521, you must be having trouble in line number 66 or 68. Remove that part where it has something. Remove that part before constant help intent handler. That part 28, 29.
just a second. I'll just check it out.
Okay.
We are not all are facing the issue. You just don't write on your own. You just copy from the link which I gave. Just copy from here. It will be fine. Yeah. Just don't try to write on your own because it may lead to some mistake. These are the beginners. Just do it the same. Yeah. I hope most of the people are done with the code testing part too. And we write our own letter. Yeah, you can. Here you can change it according to your wish. You can just change your utterances. Yeah, that's it. Okay, done, bro. Thank you. Yeah, we will be going to the distribution section. Yeah, do it soon. We will be completing it in a while. Yeah, that's cool. If you are.
Excuse me, Bhaiya, one more thing. Test
Yeah,
is disabled for this skill.
you just
I have
yeah
done the development.
turn on to the development. You will be
Okay,
getting
okay, okay.
and public name. Yeah, we will. This is the skill name and sample short description. You can just give anything according to your wish. Just do it along with me. Just do it along with me. One sentence description. This is a hand game. You can write your own wish. That's your wish. It's a hand game. That's it. You can write. That's your wish. Please repeat this. Yeah, you can just give the command. Just a second. Just do that. Open. People. Just rock. That's fine. I hope everything is clear to now, and let's complete the distribution section as soon as possible. Because we are having another skill too, and that's quite lengthy. Let's do it. And this is a hand game in which we will be playing with Alexa. You can write anything. That's your wish. That's your wish. And due to the time factor, I'm not writing it in a full manner. Okay, I hope it's fine. And here in this watch stream, you can just write what's new with your skill apart from the others. Right? Come to the these all are optional. These all are optional. You can write it on with your wish. Just come to the example phrases and write. For example, open rock paper. Do it along with me. It will be fine, and will not waste much time. Alexa, open rock paper scissors. We'll also give another thing. Sorry. Alexa, launch rock paper. So, which is also you can also write other part. Alexa, play. These are all the example phrases. Does not follow the correct mouse pattern. What does it mean? Not able to get you. Can you please elaborate it? Hope everyone did tell the example phrases. And yes, that's cool. Yeah. I hope you are clear with your issue, Kriti. Everything is fine. Just check over once again. What's the major issue? You can just give it in the chat box. That is also clear that this part in JSON input. What I need to tell the testing part. Yeah, we will do it later. Let us complete this as soon as possible. We'll be doing it. Due to the time factor, I'm not able to do it again and again. When I want to do it, but location name. Okay, I got it. Yeah, just go to the Kriti, just go to the building part, build section, and in that you can just choose the invocation name, and over there you just change it. We'll be having change. Just a second. Just go to the build part, and choose the invocation. And here you need to change. I think you will be having change me over here. I think so. Just change it to rock paper scissors, and again save it and build it. That will be fine. That will work fine. Is it fine, Kriti? I hope you are facing the issue over here and it's being resolved. Just build it again properly. There shouldn't be an issue.
Hey Kriti, hi. I think your skill invocation name would be change me. So delete it and write rock paper scissor over there, and then click on save model and build model again. Your skill will be working fine. It is rock paper
Just
scissor. Now save model, build model.
yeah. And come to the distribution section, and here we will be doing that. Let's complete it. And I hope everyone did this example phrases too. And now you can just add some small icons. You can just download it from Google, and you can just do it. Just select some image, random image. You can just say, yeah. Just download it from Google, and you can just drag it over here. This is the representation of our skill. This is the icon. Yeah. I hope everyone did till here. We will be moving ahead. Is it fine? Shall I proceed further? I hope everyone added their icons to their respective skills. And now the category is nothing but the games and trivia. This is the gaming skill, right? That's that. And in the keywords, we will be choosing rock is one of the keyword, paper is one of the keyword, scissor is one of the keyword. Yeah. I'll wait for a minute. These are the keywords: rock, paper, scissor in our invocation name in our skill. These are the three keywords you can just name over here. Word links, yeah. Just give it. Just a second. Just a second. Just give it over here. Yeah, be the same and paste it over here and works with the terms of sorry. Provide you the links. Yeah, you can just check out from there. And save and continue. I hope everyone are clear till here. Let's do it soon. Privacy policy is the first one, and the terms of use is the second. Is it fine? Shall I proceed further? Yes. Yeah. Does this skill allows user to make purchases or spend real money? No. No. Users' personal information. We are not collecting any personal information. This is not directed under 13. This doesn't contain any advertising. You just click on this click box, and here you can write the testing instructions. Like just write one thing. This is one of the testing instructions. When a new user is using your skill, they need to know what is the perfect instruction which you are giving. What is the first command we need to use to invoke Alexa. Shall I proceed further? Always do the same. Always select no, and just click on it. I hope everything is fine till here. I'm just saving it and continue. Let's continue. Just don't change anything in this. Don't change anything. Just directly click on save and continue. Now we'll be validating our skill. We will be checking if our skill has any errors or not. Let's see. I hope we don't have any other errors. I hope everyone are doing along with me. Yeah, is it so? Yes, yes, that's cool. That's really good. Validating. Yeah, let's wait. And I just want to know that how do you feel about this skill? What's the main part which you like in this? You can just share your experience about this. Yeah, which one? Code. I didn't get you, Shashank. Yeah, we'll provide all the codes later on. I'll be dropping my GitHub link. You can just check off on that. Alexa always lose. No, it's not the case that every time Alexa will lose. It's random part. It's taking time. Yeah, it's fine. Validation results are done and we are left with 0 errors. And this is perfect. And later on, just, yeah, what happened? Anshuman, it will be loading, I think so. It will be taking time up to 2 minutes. Just wait. Just be patient. Yeah. And just submit your skill for review. Everyone do the same. And that's done. And that's it. That's the end of our skill. And we will be seeing our skill over here. And our skill is in review. Alexa team will review each and every part of that, and it will check whether our skill has any other errors, any other copyrights or anything. It will check all the things, and later if we clear all the errors, then our skill will be live and we can check our skill in the Alexa skill store. That's it. And your skill can be used in any Alexa device all over the world. You can use it. Now you are a developer, Alexa skill developer. You just did it. That's cool. It's really fantastic. Yeah, I hope everyone did till here. Yeah. Everyone?
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, that's great, Saira. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you guys for listening to Sairam so well. And now I think the attendance. No, yeah, I'm coming to attendance part. I think all the people are already present over here. We will be taking attendance at will be taking attendance at 4:15 to 4:30 in time in between 4 to 4:15 because that will be somewhere around closing time. So make sure you fill the attendance then because we are going to have a vast skill. We will be helping you get we will be getting you help there and we will be also providing some video resources for that. Our team member, one of our team member, Aman Patel, will be doing it. Aman Patel has done the video on the YouTube. You can go through there and you can check it. We will be providing you some basic insights of APL because it's a very vast skill and we don't have a lot of time. It almost takes around 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, but it's fine. We will be helping you with the video links. So, Suraj, are you there? Thank you, Sairam. Thank you, Sairam, for your
Yeah.
time.
Just a second. No, I just want to drop the link.
Yeah, sure, you can.
Wait a moment, I will be joining.
Okay, sure.
And this is the link for, you can see entire code part, the front end JSON part and the backend JS part, each and everything can be seen over here, the privacy policies, each and everything. I just gave everything over here. You can just check over with this GitHub link. You will be landed to this and you can check everything over here. Right?
So guys, this GitHub link, this GitHub portal is public for you, so you can go and access anytime. If you have any doubts, you can contact Sairam as well. Sairam, can you please drop in your LinkedIn profile if you
Yeah,
can?
yeah. Just a second. I just want to search it. I'll just drop it. Just give
Yeah,
me
yeah,
some.
yeah. You can drop it. Take your time in between as well. Not an issue.
Yeah. And this is the end of our rock paper scissors skill. And hope you really enjoyed it a lot. And now, my friend Suraj Mani will be taking the skill and another skill, and you will be learning a lot in this too. Yeah, it will be now. We will just continue it. Yeah. And later on, I just want to say one thing that after submission, you will just get a mail from Alexa team, Amazon Alexa team. After submission of any skill, you will be getting a mail regarding your publishing and everything. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, Anshuman. Okay, guys, I think you need some break. You can take a break of 10 minutes. Join at 3:20. Okay, join at 3:30. Is it fine? Everyone, please join at 3:30. 3:30? Yes, yes. Yeah, Rashmi Acharya. Yes, I know. Some of you have a few students have some issues. We will be sorting it out at 5. We will be providing a Google link to you. There will be our coordinators. They will be helping you out. So not an issue. Just join at 3:30 for the next session. Suraj Mani will be yes, yes, the same link for the next session also. Uh, you can join at 3:30, and please be so vigilant over the next skill, because this is a very vast skill and you need to do a lot of things by your own. We'll be providing you some basic links. Okay, so it's just an homework for you. You will learn a lot by yourself. Okay, we'll be providing all the documentations as well. Yeah, please join at 3:30, guys. Thank you.